Hey beautiful people, hey Zaahav, hey guys, hey everyone, hey friends. Oh, I'm getting more and more comfortable being in front of the camera. That's something that I really have struggled with. But thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are here again. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. I want this space, I want this channel to be full of information, whether it's through advice or tutorials. I want to be able to be beneficial and give back to you guys. That being said, today's video I'm going to be giving you ideas on how to save money while shopping, whether that be in person or online. If you do see me looking at my phone, it just simply means I have everything written down or typed down, and I'll be reading through them so I give you them in a good specific order. The first way to save money while shopping, and this is for a specific store. That store, when I used to shop at H&M, I know that if you send old clothes to them, you give them a bag of old clothes, they give you a coupon. Now what my sister and I used to do, we would split the old clothes into like 4 small bags and we'll get like $4 or $5 coupons. I know for Canada they have $5 coupons. For the US they're 5% off instead. Now either way, you do get a coupon for giving H&M clothes because they recycle their clothes. The second one is SPC, which is basically called Student Price Card. It can be bought for $10 across several stores in Canada and is only available to Canadians, and it can be used across 450 stores including tech stores, fast foods, restaurants, retail stores, and many others. Right now they're offering a promotion with Apple, and you can get up to $270 off an eligible Mac or up to $30 off an iPad. That is such a great deal because Apple doesn't even usually do discounts. And on Adidas, they're offering 30% off full price items and 15% off sale items for students. The good thing about SPC card is as long as you have your student ID, you can purchase it. I will link it down in the description box down below on how to get the SPC card, or you could just search on the internet spccard.ca and you're able to get to their website and purchase it online as well. A lot of their options can be used either in store or online. Now the third way is price match or price check, whatever word is your preference. I know stores like Henry's Camera, Best Buy, Lowe's, they price match a lot. If it's sold on Amazon by Amazon and fulfilled by Amazon, a lot of companies will price match for you. I know Samsung does that as well. Samsung will price match a promotion on Amazon and a few other verified sites. Best Buy as well will price match across various electronic stores as well. A lot of these stores do price match. Some stores will give you 10% off the difference. Some stores will give you 5% less than. And number 4, there are 2 websites. One is Student Beans and one is Unidays. This video is mostly directed towards students. It's to help them save because students barely have time to work between school and assignments and other things. They barely have time to work and get enough money. Now some people have rich parents. Those are for people that have rich parents. They can afford to buy whatever. But for the people who want to buy things on a budget, this is for you. You can register with your student email address and there's a bunch of stores and they give you discounts across various stores. There's a lot of stores that allow and accept Unidays. They would literally have it towards the bottom of their website. H&M, American Eagle, even Opali. Opali does have a Unidays link on their website and it will take you to the Unidays website, which is myunidays.com, and you will log in and get your discount code for them. That's the same way Student Beans works. All the different stores have different discounts that they offer. I will leave the links to these websites in the description box down below. Every single website that's been said on this video will be linked down below or will be somewhere on the screen. And the next one is thrift shopping.
Can we go thrift shopping?
Now because I'm in Canada, the majority of the stores that will be listed in this video will be Canadian based stores. Some of them run across Canada and the United States, but thrift shopping is something that is very popular across multiple continents. A lot of people give even new clothes to thrift stores, and thrift stores don't usually take worn out or extremely old or raggedy clothes, so you can actually go to a thrift store and even find a designer handbag for way cheaper than it will be on the designer website. The only difference is it's probably more than likely been worn by someone. A few of the thrift stores that I know are the Salvation Army, Goodwill, Value Village, and Plato's Closet. Plato's Closet does allow you to recycle clothes as well. They give you cash for your clothes. When you bring clothes into Plato's Closet, they assess it based on the season, whether it's something that will probably sell if they have too many of those types of things in stock, the actual physical quality of the clothes, are they worn out? Do they look good? Can they pass as new even? And if your clothes pass these check marks, they give you cash for your clothes. I believe we're in the 5th or the 6th, and it's Rakuten, which was formerly called Ebates. Now Ebates allows you to get cash back for your purchases online. All you have to do is register on the site. That's literally it. And the next tip is, instead of shopping in the regular stores, why not go to outlet stores? Outlet stores usually do mad discounts, especially if you go to an outlet store during a holiday season. There'll be a discount and then the sale discount based off the holiday season. Now, for instance, if you want to get a winter jacket that probably costs usually like $1,000, at the outlet store, if it's available, it'll probably cost like $700. If you get it during the holiday season like New Year's, or during a sale season like Black Friday or Cyber Monday, it'll probably be like 30% off. That'll reduce the price to another $490. That is saving you $510 in total. If you can get $1,000 jacket for $490, isn't that a huge saving? And the last and final one, and it's probably something that you already know, but I cannot emphasize it enough, is shop during specific seasons. Now, I know throughout the summer, Apple does have a promotion where if you buy an eligible Mac and you get free Beats by Dre headphones. Now, that doesn't necessarily save you coins, but if you get brand new Beats for free and you're keeping your Mac, you can actually sell off those brand new headphones. And if you're someone who wanted headphones anyway, you're getting free headphones for buying a laptop. When seasons are about to change, things usually go cheaper. Like things from the previous season usually go cheaper. Buy things when the season is gone and then you get them at a cheaper rate. And that's all the tips I have for this video. If you want to see an extension, if you want to see more about how to get discounts, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, comment down below and I will do a whole other part 2 on that. If you don't already follow me on my social media, they will be in the description box down below as well. Everything that you need basically is in the description box, so read it. Like really, just read it. Thank you. I'm gonna leave a video for you guys right there to watch. Click it. It's not going anywhere. It's right there. It's right there. Right there. Click it. Go watch it. Go watch it. It's right there. Like, it's literally right there. Go watch the video. Bye. What?